Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get Katakuri in One Piece Pirate Warriors 4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, if you have been playing the game and you have been wondering how you can actually acquire this particular character, it is simply explained in the game itself. All you have to do is simply have to access the player information right over here. If you would like to get into this section, you can see you have to, in order to get your particular character unlocked, all you have to do is clear the Land of Wano arc, which is game original, a bizarre battle, three pirates advance in the dramatic log. Upon doing that, you will automatically will be able to unlock this particular character for you to play here in this One Piece Pirate Warriors 4. Once you have done so, completed the challenge, you have cleared it after, you can go to your character section and can simply choose to unlock this particular character of yours and you can choose to play with it. The thing that you can do is like you can simply continuously check your characters and check out their player information and see what tasks you have to complete in order to get that particular character and do it accordingly to acquire each and every character that you want. So this is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.